Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my classic series and also my French Faves series. This lesson is Skate Wing Grenobloise. Please excuse my terrible French. Skate wing is a classic dish found in classic restaurants. Though not common today, this is a great dish. The delicate segments of the sautéed skate remind me of lump crab meat. Grenobloise means to cook in butter with an acidic caper butter sauce. Some recipes use only vinegar and some use only lemon juice. I use both. Note, don't overcook the skate. It can get tough. So let's start cooking. Okay, now this is a half of a skate wing. I have already cut it in half. I'm only doing one for the camera. First thing we're going to do is lightly season it. If you watch my videos, you know that seasoning means always and only salt and pepper. I use kosher salt or sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now since this is thin, I'm only going to season it on the one side, and you know I like to pat it in. Alright, now we're going to dredge the skate wing. Now, you know, there's an amount of flour shown in the notes, but really you just need enough flour so you can do the dredging, okay? I don't like to use any more than I have to because I don't like to waste it. Okay, dredge it on both sides. Shake off the excess. And it's ready to cook. All right, now I have about a tablespoon of butter in the pan here, and we're going to heat this over not high, not medium, somewhere in between, medium-high. And we're going to let that butter melt, and when the foam starts to subside or dissipate, that's when we're going to cook the skate. Okay, our butter was bubbling and now the foam is subsiding, so we're going to add the skate wing to the pan, and we're going to cook it about 2 or 3 minutes per side. Okay, we want it to get kind of light golden on both sides. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Oh, beautiful. Okay, when you turn it, be very careful because it can fall apart unless you're careful. Okay, let it go 2 minutes on this side as well. Okay, it's been 2 minutes on this side. We're going to remove it from the pan carefully, and we're going to keep that warm. Okay, now we're going to reduce the heat down, and we're going to wipe out the butter from the pan. Okay, and I would normally just do this with my hand very carefully, but for the camera I'm going to do it with the tongs, which is what I recommend that you do. Okay, this gets any burned butter out of the pan. It also gets any crumblies from the flour out of the pan. Okay, now we're going to add the remaining butter and turn down the heat. I don't want it to get too hot. Okay, we're going to wait till the foam subsides. Okay, as you can see, the foam is subsiding. We're going to add the capers. Okay, and we're going to just toss those around a little bit for only probably about 10 seconds or so. Then we're going to add the lemon juice and the vinegar. I'm going to turn the heat off because I don't want that to totally evaporate. Okay, mixing it up, and we're ready to plate. All right, now we're going to plate up. First we're going to put the skate wing on the plate, and then put on some butter caper sauce, garnish with some parsley. Some people will cook the parsley in the butter. You can do it either way. I think it looks brighter and more beautiful if you put the parsley on last. Okay, so there we go. That is Skate Wing Grenobloise. Again, excuse my French. I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.